So a feedback questionnaire was done for the teachers and students. The teachers, the uptake for the responses was only 2. But out of those 2 responses, both people said that they would have been able to do the Shaby content and that they thought it was a good way to deliver PSHE through the curriculum. The comments were that children's choice made them feel like that children would buy in to the PSHE curriculum and that they could work at their own pace, and having a certificate was an incentive. For the students questionnaire, we had 61 responses. From that, most of the children, only 20% of the children said that they didn't have a better idea of what PSHE was, so 80% did, or a little bit better. And 99% of the children said that they had learned some new skills, and that a good way, they thought that Shaby was a good way to watch a video and complete a task and learn a new skill. The feedback that they gave about why they thought it was a good way to learn a new skill was lots of different reasons: that they enjoyed it, that they liked the use of Shaby, that they could work at their own speed, that the teacher's not standing in front of the class, and they talked about the skills that they liked, that they'd helped them calm down and helped them to improve, and it gave them courage. They chose their favourite task and said why they chose that task, and then they gave a list of other ideas of things that, if this project was extended, what other videos they would like to see to improve their personal, social and health skills.